In this video, Sammy's going to show you how you can replace the cabin air filter on a 2015 Chevrolet Suburban.
So today we're going to be doing a cabin air filter on this 2015 Chevy Suburban. The air filter is going to be located in the dash. You drop this down, you notice there's going to be this. So the way to remove this, you're just going to push it up a bit and pull it. And just kind of pop it out with your finger in the back, and it pops right out like that. And now you can just squeeze these together and it just pulls down. Be careful with whoever documents may be in the car. So there's gonna be 5 T15 low screws right here. So we're just gonna want to take all of these out. I'm just using 1/4 inch ratchet with an extension.
What size screws?
They're T15s. Oh, I missed one screw. So there's one more T15 right here. So we're just gonna pop that out real quick. Perfect. Now that this is out, I'm gonna put that aside. And if you look back here, this little honeycomb, that's what holds the filter. So it just has some tabs we're gonna pop open. You literally just grab the tip of the tab and pull with your finger.
It's too dark in there.
Oh yeah, I bet it is.
Just walk us through.
Oh yeah, so there's gonna be these little plastic tabs. You just grab the tops and just pull it out with your finger. It's a bit tight, so you're gonna have to kind of feel around with your finger. Make sure you're grabbing the right place. But it ain't too bad. Once you pop the top off, it just kind of slides on out. And now there's going to be a filter in here. What I like to do on them is, instead of fighting with them trying to get them out, I just take a little pick, sneak it in, and pull it out just like that. And now, as you can see, this one's all dirty, full of leaves. You can open it up and see there's dirt. So that's in need of replacing. Flow sign. That's, you want the airflow to be pulling up. So installing these, it's kind of weird, the angle sometimes, but you just kind of put it in, and it usually works itself in. Just kind of got to feel around, and then see, just like that. Once it's in, it's in. Now you take your little honeycomb cover. Get any leaves or anything off that, you just got to slide that in. Goes on the same way it came off. So you're gonna be fishing it around a bit, just trying to find how to go together, but it only goes on one way. So once you figure that out, it's good. And you hear that click, so that's back on. And now we gotta put this on, or first, my bad, we put this back on. So when you're putting this in, be sure to remember this little pull thing, because that needs to go through this. So just keep that in mind when reinstalling. You don't want to have it all together and realize you forgot to put that in. So I just kind of put that up in here, if I remember the way it went. Once you put it in, you don't need these tight since it just threads into plastics. Just give it a 1/4 turn. These will honestly probably be fine if you just put all of them in hand tight. Alright, so now once you have these all back in, I like to go and hook this this little thingy up. So just kind of slide it out. Make sure it's facing this way. Get it up there. There's a big hole. You just gotta get it into the big hole. Sometimes it usually works best with putting that back on. Probably should have done that in the first place, but once you get the big hole in, it just slides right on up. Now we put the customer's belongings and documents safely back inside, and that's how you replace the cabin air filter.